Hey guys, it's Fabio here and I am back with another vlog. Today, as you can see, I'm by myself and that is because I am flying back to Italy. Oh my goodness! I am super excited about it, but at the same time I'm very sad. It's quite of an emotional day for me because this is the last time I'm gonna see this apartment. I know, you thought I was gonna say because I'm gonna miss Yani. Well, that too. But we're so used to travel and be apart that I know I'm gonna see him again. But one thing I'm not gonna see again is this apartment, guys. We're moving out. I'm making the official announcement and it's gonna be very sad because this is the place where Yani and I had our first date. It's where we share so many memories for the past 3 years. This is where we started our YouTube channel. This is where we started our relationship. And as you can see, I already started packing some stuff so that Yani has some good organization right there, some boxes. My luggage is ready for my flight. The weather out is crappy as always, but I'm ready to go and get some sunshine back in beautiful Italy. We have a long flight ahead, so I'm gonna take you with me, guys. Let's go. Goodbye, apartment. Goodbye. Guys, so I'll give you a quick update. I went through security, everything went well. I am here very early because I tried to get to the desk quite early because I wanted to upgrade to first class for free. But who do I think I am? Of course I said no. So I left with my tail between my legs. But now I'm here, I'm gonna enjoy some food, a glass of wine, and then I'm gonna work a little bit on my blog. And maybe I'll join her doing yoga. Alright guys, so Yani made me sign up over the phone for free access to a lounge, so I'm about to go in. Hopefully they will accept it and we'll see how it goes. I'll vlog it from there if I can. Bye guys. I made it in. And now some seafood glam. I guess Yani was right when he made me apply for it. Thank you, Yani. So now I'm gonna enjoy some wine, some food, and work on my blogs and my website. So I look very professional in this lounge. I really belong here. At first I was very self-conscious because I didn't know what to do. I've never been in a lounge before. I feel like only rich people do that. So it was very interesting to walk in and see all this great free food and great wine and snacks and coffee and drinks. Everything's free. Oh God, it's good. I'm already used to it. Finally made it on the plane. My seat is by the window, so I'm very happy about it. And this is what's outside. I will take off soon. See you at home.
8 hours later.
It's 9:23. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Okay, so I finally landed, but there's still a long way ahead because I need to catch a bus for another couple of hours and I still need to go through security. And in a couple of hours I'll be home. Finally! The weather is amazing here. It's so warm and beautiful. I love it. I'm sweating with my jacket. So I had a quick breakfast with some cappuccino and a nice pastry. And now I'm about to take the shuttle bus to my hometown. Oh wow, this was a long way. Whew. The bus ride was long. One last stop. Now my mom is coming to pick me up here at the airport and then finally I can get home. Oh my goodness, we're almost there. I cannot believe it. Ah, what a trip. Alright, I'm gonna look for my mom. Bye. There it is! Ciao! Come stai? Tour of my town. This is my street, guys. That big yellow house, it's ours. I am finally home. My dog is right there. There's a few more around the house. And I'm so happy, finally. It's been such a long trip, honestly. I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna take a hot shower and I'm gonna enjoy some sun, have a glass of wine with my mom and dad, and then we're gonna plan some good dinner for tonight. So I'll take you guys with me in this journey. It's gonna be a few different vlogs throughout the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned and I'll see you tomorrow.